How to make money online. There are many ways to make money online, and some of the most popular include 1. Selling goods and services. Setting up an online store to sell goods or offering services such as web design or writing can be a great way to earn money online. 1. You can sell products on platforms such as Amazon or Etsy, or create your own website to sell your goods and services. 2. Online marketplaces. Selling goods and services on online marketplaces such as eBay and Upwork can be a great way to earn money online. 3. Affiliate marketing. This is a way to earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. 3. When a customer buys a product through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. 4. Online advertising. You can earn money by placing ads on your website or blog. 4. Platforms like Google AdSense pay you for every ad clicked on your website. 5. Online tutoring or teaching. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can earn money by teaching or tutoring others online. 5. Platforms like VIPKid and Teaching are great options for online tutoring. 6. Online surveys. Some research companies pay you for completing online surveys. 6. Signing up for online survey panels such as Survey Junkie, Toluna or Swagbucks can be a way to earn some extra cash. 7. Stock trading. Trading stocks can be another way to make money online, but it's important to be aware that stock trading is a high-risk investment and it should not be entered into lightly. 8. Blogging or vlogging. You can earn money through sponsored content or affiliate marketing by creating a blog or YouTube channel and building a following. 9. Invest in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be another way to make money online, but it's important to be aware that it's a highly speculative market, and the value of your investments can be highly volatile. 10. Online business. Starting your own online business can be a way to earn money online. 10. Ideas include starting an e-commerce store, an affiliate marketing program, a dropshipping business or a blog. It's important to keep in mind that making money online takes time and effort, it's not an overnight success. It requires patience, dedication and hard work. It's important to thoroughly research opportunities and understand any potential risks before investing time and money.